Okay, magandang gabi muli sa inyong lahat. We're going to run Sir Chris Bulacan, Clyde Drexler, NBA champion AU on card. Okay, we have 15 items. Copy. So we are now live. The time is 8:16. Today is December 1. Merry Christmas. Okay, rule. 2 dice roll. Lowest 5. Top spot wins. Okay. Free shipping. Roll dice. Sensya na, medyo mabagal ang internet. 1 and 1. 1 and 1. Roll again. 4 and 5. 4 and 5 equals 9 times. Good luck. Random list. Okay, Paul Mendoza on the bottom, Edgar on top. Edgar on top, Paul Mendoza on the bottom. The time is 8:17. Good luck, guys. First, Sir Max. Second, Sir Max pa rin. Third, Sir Paul. Fourth, Sir Max. Fifth, Sir Edgar. Sixth, Sir Frederick. 7, Sir Paul. 8, Sir JJ. We roll a 9. The time is 8:18. Last random. Okay, for the last random, 9, 8:18, 15 items, 9 times. Congratulations, Sir Edgar. 9 times.